In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Fireflies AI with Zapier. We'll be building a simple automation that takes meeting transcript data from Fireflies AI and sends it directly into Google Sheets. This is a great way to keep your meeting notes organized automatically without needing to copy and paste details by hand. To get started, log into your Zapier account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create and choose Zap. This opens a new automation where you'll define what starts the workflow and what happens next. First, click the trigger step. In the app search bar, look for fireflies.ai and select it. Then choose a trigger event. A common option here is New Meeting Transcript, which tells Zapier to start the automation whenever Fireflies creates a new transcript for a recorded meeting. Next, connect your Fireflies AI account to Zapier. After the connection is complete, configure the trigger settings based on the options Zapier shows you. These settings help Zapier know exactly what kind of transcript activity it should watch for. Once that's done, click Test Trigger. This is an important step because it checks whether Zapier can successfully pull in sample transcript data from Fireflies. Take a moment to verify that the sample includes the type of meeting information you want to work with. If everything looks good, click Continue. Now it's time to set up what happens with that data. Click the Action step, then search for Google Sheets and select it as your action app. For the action event, choose Create Spreadsheet Row. This means each new Fireflies transcript will be added as a fresh row in your spreadsheet. Connect your Google Sheets account. Then select the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the meeting data to be stored. After that, map the Fireflies fields to the correct columns in your sheet. For example, you can match the meeting title to one column, the transcript to another, participants to their own column, and the meeting date to a date column. Careful mapping here helps keep your sheet clean and easy to review later. When you're finished, click Continue, then click Test Step. Zapier will try to send sample data into Google Sheets. Check your spreadsheet and confirm that a new row has been added correctly. If everything looks right, click Publish to activate the Zap. From this point on, complete a meeting that is recorded by Fireflies AI, then confirm that the meeting data is automatically sent to Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.